Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to magnify or zoom any image of a web page in Edge browser for computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Edge web browser on your respective computer and just click on these three dot icons on the right top corner, and now just click on this help and feedback and just click on this about Microsoft Edge and check for updates if any newer Microsoft Edge browser update is available or not. So right now you can see my Microsoft Edge web browser is up to date. So firstly, check for any newer updates available or not for your respective Microsoft Edge web browser, and after that just open any website or any web pages and just place your mouse cursor above the respective images that you want to zoom or magnify, and just right mouse click on it, and now you can see here one new option available, magnify image. Just click on it. Now you can see the respective image will get magnified or zoom, and you can do using your computer keyboard also. Just place your mouse cursor above the respective image that you want to zoom, and now just press twice the control key. So you can see here, so you can see on the above also it's already mentioned here, you can activate magnify by hovering over an image and pressing Ctrl twice. So using this cool tricks, you can easily magnify or zoom any image of a web page in Edge web browser for computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.